One of the things that's very important to us is our people. As you walk around this factory and you look at the people running the equipment, from Lauren to Brendan behind me, these are young people that are hardworking, have high levels of integrity, and they love producing some of the most difficult components and parts for some of the largest clients in the world as part of P1 Industries. So what began in this room more than 13 years ago has ballooned on site to more than 31,000 square feet of space, more than $11 million in equipment and tooling and other property, over 100 people dedicated to making some of the best products for our clients anywhere in the United States. And it all started in this room a little over 13 years ago. And that's why that symbol, that American flag, is so important to us as a company, because it gives us the drive and the passion to see that American jobs can be created in manufacturing